Alrighty, why won't my Cox mower start? It's going to be the topic for today. The number one reason, let this truck go past. The number one reason why your mower won't start is because you've got the blades down. So if the blade handle is forward, it will not start. You need to bring it back to the position of starting. So that's blades down, that's the starting position right there. Alrighty, so that's your first step. Next one, check if you've got fuel. Open it up, you have fuel. Always check the oil while you're here, just to make sure it's got oil in it. It has there. Should be between the marks. See the two marks there. It's a little bit low. I'm not going to worry about that at the moment. It's still showing, so it's okay. Next step, turn the fuel on. Got the tap here. Now that is off. That is on. That's off, that's on, so it's off at the moment. And now it's on. So that's off as a T, for a pipe as a T junction, and that's flowing through. That's on. Next reason why your mower might not start is because the safety micro switch for your foot has been blocked with grass, debris, and that has to be firmly pressed for it to start. So make sure all the grass and things have been removed from that area. Your next reason would be you've left it over winter for more than a couple of months without recharging it. Now I've put this Anderson type connection on so I can easily charge my battery. These connections will connect to the battery charger and I can charge it whenever I want. Otherwise on these mowers you have to literally have to take the battery off to get to it. So I'm not sure if this originally came on the mower or I put it on, I think. But the easiest way is to get yourself one of these connectors and you can easily charge it through winter. So most batteries won't last any more than about 3 months without a charge, and that would be pretty much the winter where I'm from. So you need to check that. Now that's pretty much it. There is a micro switch under this seat, but they rarely go wrong. What you could do, if you've checked everything else and everything checks out and the motor is turning over, you could join these two, you could pull these out and join them together, join the wires together and see if it'll start. But make sure you put it back. It's a safety thing. If you come off the seat on a sharp turn, the motor should cut out. So you have to be sitting down for it to start as well. Alrighty, so put the handbrake on, put it to cold start, blades back, or blades off, that's on, back is off, so that's the lower, but in that position it won't start. Bring that back, put your foot on the micro switch, cold start up, turn it on. There you go. That's how you start at Cox. That's how you start. Basically any mower, any ride-on mower. You can't start with the blades down on most of the mowers. That's the first thing you check. Remember to charge the battery over winter, where you're going to have a problem. Or alternatively, run it over winter. But these mowers don't give much of a charge, so if that battery does drop, this won't charge your battery. This system they've got, I'm pretty sure it hasn't got an alternator, so it's just maintaining the charge, giving the charge to the spark plugs, giving the spark, and that's about it. So it's good idea to give your mower battery a charge in winter. And that's pretty much it. Good luck. Catch you next time.